Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to block friend requests on Facebook. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on Facebook. And once you're inside the Facebook, what you gotta do is click on that three lines and then go ahead and scroll down until you see settings and privacy. Click on settings. Now what you're gonna do is go on how people can find and contact you from the audience and visibility section. Now here you can change the settings. As you can see there, who can send you friend requests. Change the settings to friends of friends. Once you change the setting, only your mutual friend will be able to send you requests, and that's how easily you can block friend requests on Facebook. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.